Welcome back to Robby Pratama YouTube channel. I'm going to unboxing one of important tool in the setup your laptop or computer desk. It is small but has a big role. Yes, it is USB hub. You need it if you add extra equipment, but your USB ports are limited. You can add mouse, keyboard, wireless or both of them, some external hard disk, speaker or RGB LED strip. This is the USB hub from Orico. There are some reasons why I choose it. The price is really friendly. It's about 80,000 rupiah at jackmall.com. The size is small and easy to bring anywhere. There are many variants. It is a W5PH4 series. You will get 4 USB ports. It has already USB 3.0. And the speed is 5 GB per second. Let's look around the box. So it is made in China. Let's see what are in the box. The package is good. We got manual instruction in some different languages. This is the USB hub. All the USB are USB 3.0. The LAN cable is 30 cm. There is an indicator lamp. The color is blue. There are 3 USB ports on the top of the USB hub and 1 USB port on the side of USB hub. The material is good. I'm sure it's long lasting. Let's try. I will use all the ports together in a laptop. Okay, here is the USB hub. This laptop only has 2 USB ports. Okay, the blue LED indicator is on. It means that USB hub is all ready. Plus port is for my wireless mouse and keyboard. I use extra mouse and keyboard for my extra monitor. Okay, they are reconnected each other. Okay, it's good. Run well. Next, second port for flash disk. This is 16 gigabyte flash disk. Okay. Hey, it's run well too. Next, third and fourth ports for external hard disk. Now, all of the stuff run well. Okay. The hard disk, wireless mouse, keyboard, and also flash disk. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.